Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, we're going to see cloudiness in here for today and clouds continuing through the end of the week as we're going to see a disturbance moving through Thursday and Friday, providing us with some rain and even some possible thunderstorms as we go into the Thursday evening time frame. But for today, we're just going to see these low clouds and damp conditions. Not really anything in the way of any kind of precipitation, but we will see some rather damp conditions out there as these low clouds hang tough here across the Wallops area. Looking at our current surface analysis, this area of low pressure that moved south of the region yesterday, providing us with those light rain showers, continues to exit the coastline this morning. We're seeing those winds a little breezy out of the northeast, but they'll likely die down a bit as we go into the afternoon as that low pulls off the coast. As a result of that area of low pressure, we're continuing to see that northeast flow and lots of lower level moisture, which will keep these low clouds in here for most of the day today. Could see a little bit of an increase in those ceilings as we go into the late morning and afternoon, but overall we're going to see overcast conditions continuing. Current weather out there, a ceiling at 500 feet, 6 miles visibility, and those winds out of the northeast at 7 knots, temperature at 46 degrees, and our relative humidity at 100%. Taking a look at our radar, you can see really not much being picked up on radar, and a lot of these low clouds are actually lower than the beam over the Wallops area. So we are seeing a little bit of reflectivity off to the north. That's likely a little bit of mist and drizzle up to the northern sections of the Delmarva that's being picked up by the radar. But for us, we're looking at just a little bit of mist out there this morning, and likely just seeing cloudy conditions with not much in the way of significant precip as far as chances go today. Could see, again, just a little bit of mist out there at times this morning, but not anything significant as far as the precipitation goes. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, we are going to take a look at that after we take a look at the modeling data that we are going to see for the next couple of days. Again, looking at dry conditions for the most part outside of that little bit of mist that we could potentially see this morning with those low clouds, and then into the evening hours tonight, continuing to see dry conditions prevail. As we go into the overnight hours, we're going to see this system start to take shape and move across the mid-Atlantic region on Thursday. We're going to see some severe weather out of this system well to our south, across the deep south. They are under the threat for some tornadoes this morning, but for us, much less in the way of thunderstorm potential as this system moves across the region on Thursday and Thursday night. Our best chance for seeing any embedded thunderstorms will be Thursday evening as the main frontal boundary starts to push across the area. So this is Thursday afternoon. You can see some of these rain showers making their way across the region at this point. Not going to see an all-day rain event for Thursday, just more of your scattered shower activity throughout the day. And again, Thursday night looks to be the best chance for seeing any significant precipitation, and also that chance for embedded thunderstorm activity as that line of storms moves across the region. We'll also see the winds pick up Thursday night into the day on Friday, and as we move through Friday, you can see here by Friday morning, most of the heavier precipitation off the coast at that time. Could see a little bit of a break in the action as well on Friday morning, and those temperatures will be steady during the morning hours and maybe even falling a few degrees during the afternoon. And as you can see here, this model actually depicting a little bit of snow mixing in before precipitation comes to an end Friday afternoon. So that'll certainly be something that we keep our eye out for Friday, as we do have a potential for a little bit of wet snow mixing in as the system pulls off the coast. Not expecting any accumulation at this point or any worries on the roadways, as temperatures will be above freezing, and we'll see rather mild conditions for the next couple of days that will keep those surface temperatures above freezing as the system moves through on Friday, and certainly those ground temperatures will be rather warm from the warm temperatures that we're going to see over the course of the next couple of days. As we go into the day on Saturday, we're going to see high pressure building into the area, and we will see abundant sunshine for the weekend with cooler temperatures on Saturday and warming temperatures on Sunday. Here's that infrared satellite shot that I wanted to show you earlier. As you can see, that area of low pressure continuing to move off the coast, and we will see the low cloudiness continue across the area as abundant moisture is drawn in from the Atlantic as that northeast flow continues over the region. So looking at the next 24 hours, again, the main threat for today will be, for as far as hazardous weather, will be those low cloud ceilings continuing, maybe increasing a bit as we go into the afternoon between that 12 o'clock and 4 p.m. time frame. Could see ceilings rise to about 1,000 feet at that point, but overcast conditions continuing throughout the remainder of the day. Thursday morning, as we wake up, we'll start to see the chances for rain begin to increase across the area, and continuing with those scattered rain chances throughout the day on Thursday. It looks to be pretty likely that we'll see at least some scattered rain across the area on Thursday. And then again, Thursday night, that's when we're highlighting our chance for some embedded thunderstorm potential, looking to be about a 25% chance of seeing some embedded thunderstorms as that front moves across the area. And then Friday, we'll wake up to windy conditions, scattered rain showers, possibly ending as a rain-snow mix during the afternoon. Not likely seeing any heavy precipitation for Friday, but again, just some scattered showers, and temperatures really rather cool behind that front. A high of 42 will likely be reached in the morning, with those temperatures falling throughout the afternoon. Well, that'll wrap it up for your daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.